Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here, finally here, yay, to show you the new kit, the collaboration kit. And it's a collaboration between Suzanne, the talented Suzanne from Papercrafts, and myself from LineDotArrow. We did it again. We did one, I believe it was in May, a boho summer. We made a bohemian kit together, and we ran challenges in the Facebook groups. And this month we are doing another collaboration, and it's called the Final Days of Summer, but we are using the hashtag Final Days of Summer, so you can leave the out. Make sure you check out Suzanne's video too, because this kit is two halves, 16 pages in Suzanne's shop, Non-Stop Papercrafts, and 16 in mine. But there are not 16 pages in each kit. Actually, 32 in mine and 32 in hers. And I'm going to show you how that works. But first, let me show you the pages, and then I'm going to introduce you quickly with a few little details about the challenges that we are running in the Facebook groups. But yeah, let's get started and show you the pages, because I really want to show you. Like I said, 16 pages. It is a kit inspired with florals and summer themed colors, and summer is usually the time people go on holidays, so there's also a little bit of like traveling elements in it. Bright colors, also like sightseeing things, like buildings from different countries, or special things you only see in certain countries. They are added in these too. Okay, let's start talking and just show you the pages. So this was the first page. Then we have the second. Not sure if you can see the whole page. Yes, you can. Maybe one moment. I think this is a little better. There are a lot of collage pages in it. We wanted to make a collage kit that you can share and use in your journal, or use as a complete journal page. That's possible too, but you can turn them into tags or to journal cards, envelopes, whatever you want, or you cut out pieces and put them on your projects. And we really had a lot of fun creating these. A little sheet with all the little ephemeral pieces, tags, and this is a collage sheet too. I think this is one of my favorite. This one and the next one are my favorite one, because I really like. I like this. I want to be here. I really want to go there. This is. I think this is in Venice, if I'm correct. But there are, like I said, elements of traveling on, but also summer elements, collaging, lots of florals, a little bit of how do you call that? A roadmap. This is the other favorite page, because I like this piece and I like this building. So another collage page, again, lots of florals, some little fuzzy cut elements, tickets, a little suitcase, of course, butterflies. I don't know how to call this in English. Well, I usually know the word, but at the moment I don't. We call this a compass. This is a postcard, some little tabs, small journaling cards. You can add those together or use one. Back these together and then you have two, but you also melt them together or make a little booklet, some pockets, some little tabs. Of course, I'm a big fan of huge tags, so they are included too. So yeah, these are on. Oh, and this is also one of my favorite pages. I believe this is the most favorite one. I even printed it twice. and on a little bit more sturdy paper. And I want to show you, this is on regular copy paper and this is on presentation paper. And to be honest, I don't see a lot of difference. So yeah, they print very well. And also something I want to tell you, if you print on regular copy paper with your printer, please do not put it on photo settings like you're printing an actual photo, because that will make everything blurry. If you, I print on the lowest quality, the simplest settings as possible, not on high quality. It's on low. I even check low and regular together. It looks the same. You save on ink and your images look better. Well, mine do. So I guess if you use the same file, it will be the same. But another favorite page. Then we have a large coin envelope with a little window. You can cut the window out and you have a fuzzy cut butterfly, a little journal card, some little elements to put on these or on the other items. Then we have like travel log, note, sightseeing, trip of the day, journal cards. Another collage page, also a favorite paper of mine. I really like this piece with the suitcases and the florals. Of course, there are slanted pockets. So I have 4. Then I have some little postcard / journal cards and some little bits and pieces you can put on, layer on top of things. And here comes the trick with the other 16 pages. We also included every paper in sepia. So this one, I'm still not sure if it's supposed to be this way or this way. I think it's going to be this way, yeah. So we also included every paper we have, also the ephemera pieces, also all the freebies. They all will come, oh, I printed this twice, sorry. They all will come in sepia too. So if you're not a big fan of the bright colors, or you want to add more like vintage elements to your journal, we have it here for you. And it saves on ink, but it also gives you the opportunity to use like watercolor pencils or do some watercoloring or adding some colored ink to create more your own style of pages. You can add your own thing to it, like colors, because you also could just use only blue and make this a blue and brown kit. So it's quite different than the original kit. But yeah, these are fun. So if you buy the 16 pages in mine or in Suzanne's shop, you will also receive the 16 pages in sepia. We have this one, the slanted pockets, also the cards and the little bits and pieces. So yeah, this is the kit. And like I said, there are freebies for each week challenge and they will come in full color. And they will go together with both kits and in sepia too. So at the end, when you have the kit and all the freebies, I didn't count, but you will at least have around, well, maybe 45 pages, something like that, because this is already 32 pages. And oh, and there will be freebies in the other Facebook groups too. So we have freebies in LBA, and you get 2 sets, one from Suzanne and one from me for every week challenge. And there is also in Haystack, Crafty Corner and sorry, Sweet Pea Paper. Both Facebook groups are joining in with the challenges, and we will tell you more about prizes and everything in the events in the Facebook groups, and also in showing you the freebies video. We will explain about the challenges. But they are joining us and they each have their own unique set of freebies for each week. So to get those freebies, you need to go to that Facebook group and become a member to be able to download this. These will not be available in the LineDotArrow Facebook group or on the Ko-fi pages. They will only be in those Facebook groups. So keep an eye on those too. So yeah, this is the kit. I'm really excited. We have a brilliant team to work with. Yeah, there are a lot of people involved, and we will announce them in the first video when we do the challenges, and we will put all their links down below too. So make sure you visit all those channels too, and like, subscribe, leave a comment, because getting comments is the best thing, and thumbs up too. And yeah, visit the Etsy. They will be on sale. Sorry, I had to check what we agreed on to do for the sale, but we agreed on a 25% discount on both the kits. So it will be available in my shop with 25% discount. You don't have to do anything. You don't need to fill in a coupon code or anything. And the same goes for Suzanne kit. And the freebies are for free. And yeah, in the next video, when we reveal the freebies and show you what the challenge of the first week will be, we also have everything listed where you can find everything. The discount will go from the 1st of September until the 30th of September. So the whole month of September. I think I have everything covered now. So yeah, we can finally start off and start creating stuff. And dive into the challenges together with HCC and Sweet Pea Papers and all the lovely design team members and all the design team members that are joining in for this month in our team. We are so happy you are joining in. Yeah, we have so many talented people, and we have a great group to work with. So I'm very privileged they will work with us. So thank you all, ladies, for doing this for us. And Suzanne, thank you for doing another collaboration with me, and I really enjoy working with you. It's yeah, it's so easy. And yeah, we came up with a great kit, so thank you very much. And yeah, this is the end of the video. I showed you all the pages, I told you what I can tell you, and this will be listed in the Etsy shops, of course. Make sure you check out Suzanne's video too. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. If you're not a member yet and you're seeing this and you're thinking, oh, I want to join in with the challenges too, make sure you become a member of the Facebook group, or actually all the Facebook groups, because you can enter in 3 Facebook groups and be entered in 3 winners drawings. So, but I will explain more in the next video, but it's worth the while to check out all the Facebook groups. And also make sure, if you join in with the Facebook group, you subscribe to the channels and hit the notification bell, so you will be notified when they upload new videos, or when Suzanne and I upload new videos for the challenges. Yeah, this is really it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you all will join in. I hope to see you next time. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.